This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix WhatsApp microphone not working on iPhone. So if you're in a WhatsApp call and the recipient not hearing your voice, just follow these simple fixes to solve the issue. The first solution is enable microphone for WhatsApp. To do that, go to settings, tap on privacy, tap on microphone and enable microphone for WhatsApp, and then check the issue. And the second solution is turn off your Bluetooth. If you're using a wireless device like a AirPod or a wireless headphone, it may be the reason of your microphone is not working properly. So all you have to do is just disable Bluetooth and then check the issue. And the third solution is check your mic hardware. To do that, open your voice memos and start to record something. After some time, stop it and play the recording. If you can hear your voice, it means your microphone don't have any hardware issue. And if you can't hear your voice, it means your microphone has a hardware issue. In this case, you have to repair your iPhone microphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.